So I want to show a couple of different view options, especially once you've entered a number of appointments for different providers, potentially for different room numbers. And as you go along, sometimes you want this 1 day view that you can kind of navigate your entire schedule. And you can always get back to this view if you are in a different view by clicking this little button that says day view. But we're going to look at a week's view for one practitioner. So, what will happen when you click week view is that you will choose a provider. And I know I put somebody under Dr. Apple, so I'm going to choose Dr. Apple. And you can always exit, but you want to see the provider's week. And so you will be able to see the entire provider's week, starting with the current date, okay, and all of the times and appointments that are set. Okay, now I know that this Friday starts at noon, but the earliest office hours are a 6 a.m. Okay, and you will see, and if they're double booked, you will actually see a double set of appointments over the same time slot. And you can still use your navigation panels forwards and backwards, okay, to see a provider and one particular provider's week. Okay, this may be helpful, right? When you're looking to see what's happening with one person. Or you might want to go back to just that day view and to see what's happening just for that particular day. So you're absolutely able to toggle back and forth between a week's view for one provider, which you have to choose, or a day view for the entire office and every appointment for that particular day.